Hello, I'm David Grubb from Shepherds Loft, web design agency. Hiawassee, Georgia is just an easy commute from our company location here in Ellijay. We provide web design, branding, and marketing services for retail, construction, and automotive related industry businesses. Hiawassee serves as the county seat of Towns County. Hiawassee is also situated along the Hiawassee River. The name is thought to come from the Cherokee or possibly Creek word ayahuasi, which translates to meadow. Additionally, Hiawassee is featured in the novel Restart by Gordon Korman. Our web design agency services provides a well thought out web design with original content to publish to your social media and email subscribers. We are also members of the local chamber, the Lake Chatuge Chamber of Commerce. The Lake Chatuge Chamber of Commerce serves the Hiawassee and Young Harris areas. It is located in the northeast Georgia mountains of Towns County and is truly a great escape for relaxation and outdoor activity. I am the business owner and founder of Shepherds Loft. We started in 2000 with a couple of friends, and now it's been over 20 years that we have enjoyed helping hundreds of small business owners with their business. Our team is focused on hiring local scouts to provide them with an opportunity to learn and gain experience in the technology field. Reaching Eagle is a big deal, and we recognize the effort that these young adults have accomplished. Shepherds Life provides, again, this branding, web design, and marketing, and we look at these as the three phases. With the branding, we will help you create or enhance your logo, register a domain name, set up email accounts, and write content that covers the story of your business. Phase 2 is more about the web design and development itself. From start to finish, we write the original content, help collect together the photos and things necessary to do your design build. And then phase 3, we go into helping with you with social media and email marketing, including your Facebook and or Google ads. If you visit us on the web, you can just Google Hiawassee Web Design and look for Shepherds Loft, and you can read some of our web design reviews from other North Georgia businesses. It's really easy to get started. Book a free appointment, get a recommendation, and then purchase your bundle. So if you visit our website, you will see a button that says Web Design Instant Quote. When you click that button, you can fill out a simple form and it will suggest to you what the best bundle is to purchase. If you just would like to talk to someone, go ahead and click the free web design appointment button and schedule the time that you would like to talk to us. This is David Grubb from Shepherds Loft, Web Design Agency. Thanks for listening.
We were out to find websites on the brink of technology failure and turn them into something awesome.